cough. Coughing can also be due to a viral infection, common cold, flu, and smoking or health problems such as asthma, tuberculosis, and lung cancer. Here are the top 5 home remedies for a cough. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is one of the most popular natural cures for a cough. Cut fresh ginger into small slices and crush them slightly. Put them in a cup of water and bring to a boil. Drink this herbal solution 3 to 4 times a day for relief from sore throat, non-stop coughing and even congestion. You can also some lemon juice and honey to it. Another option is to chew fresh raw ginger on and off throughout the day to reduce your cough. Number 2. Lemon. Lemons can be used in a variety of ways for curing coughs. Lemons have properties that reduce inflammation and also provide a dose of infection-fighting vitamin C. A simple cough syrup can be made by combining 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup several times a day. Another way to use lemons is to blend lemon juice with a little honey and a pinch of cayenne pepper and then drink it. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic has both antibacterial and antimicrobial components that help treat coughs. Boil 2 to 3 cloves of garlic in a cup of water and add a teaspoon of oregano. Allow it to cool to room temperature, add some honey and drink it. This will help your breathing and alleviate other cough symptoms. Eat a clove of crushed garlic mixed with a few drops of clove oil and some honey for sore throat relief. You can also use garlic in your cooking. Number 4. Onion. One of the simplest home remedies for a cough is to cut onions. Breathing in the strong vapors can help stop coughing. You can also make a cough syrup from baked onion juice, comfrey tea and honey. Drink it daily to get relief from a dry cough. Another option is to combine 1/2 teaspoon of onion juice with 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Swallow this solution at least twice a day to alleviate a cough and soothe your throat. Number 5. Hot milk with honey. Hot milk with honey can relieve a dry cough and reduce chest pain you may be experiencing from continuous coughing. For best results, drink it before going to sleep. For added benefits from the analgesic properties of honey, swallow a teaspoon of plain honey on empty stomach. This will help clear the mucus and soothe your throat. If you like a video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.